Welcome to your 15-minute morning meditation. Go ahead and get settled. This meditation will assist you in getting clear on your vision for today and aligning your actions with that vision. You will open up to the possibilities of the day, then slowly come to a focus on the easiest but most efficient thing that you can do to align yourself today in order to end the day feeling satisfied. As you open, you will drop into the depths of your mind and the space of your body. These are the spaces of wisdom that you will use to bring intention and meaning to your actions and experiences today. Hopefully you've had enough time to get settled in the space and place where you wish to meditate this morning. My name is Aaron, and I'll be guiding you on this journey. Sit down in either the cross-legged position or in a chair and close your eyes. Take in a deep breath and exhale on a sigh. Release all tension, tightness, and stress from your body. Take 2 more breaths, releasing with each exhale. Then allow your breath to settle into its natural rhythm. On each natural, effortless exhale, continue to release any tightness, tension, or stress from your body. If thoughts flow into the space of the mind, use your exhale once again to release any thoughts or inner chatter. Settle the focus of your attention on the sensations of the breath. This means the feeling of the breath moving in and out of your nostrils. You're not mentally saying to yourself, inhale or exhale. You're not controlling the breath or manipulating it in any way. You are observing, noting nakedly without thoughts or words the feeling of the breath moving in and out of the nostrils. On each effortless inhale, focus on the sensations of the nostrils. On each effortless exhale, continue to release any tightness, tension, or stress from the body. As you relax, you are opening. You are opening yourself up to the possibilities of today. When you are open, the perfect opportunities and conditions can flow into your experience. The exact experiences that will flow into your life today, now that you are open to them. Continue to focus on the sensations of the breath and continue to naturally open and release on each effortless exhale. Now, allow the focus of your awareness to fill the space of the body like a light in a room, like perfume in the air. Drop down from the head into the body. Focus on the sensations where your body is touching the ground, seat, or surface beneath you. Bring your awareness to this groundedness. On your next inhale, breathe into this space. Note the groundedness that is always here for you. Feel its support as it will guide your thoughts, actions, and experiences in a positive and beneficial way for yourself and all who you encounter throughout the day. On your exhales, continue to release any tension, tightness, or stress from the body. Move the focus of your attention to your toes and feet. On your inhales, focus on the sensations of the breath at the feet. Note the sensation here, how they are subtle, sparkling softly like glowing embers. This is the energy of preparation that will support your thoughts, actions, and experiences in a positive and beneficial way for yourself and all who you encounter throughout the day. On your next exhale, release any tightness, tension, or stress from the body. Feel the energy of preparation in your toes and feet and move it along with your focus up through the ankles, calves, and into the knees. Continue to release on each natural, effortless exhale and sharpen the focus of awareness on each natural, effortless inhale. With awareness focused on the knees, you are open to transformation. This is the gentle but powerful energy flowing through your life and your body. You are open to the gentle but powerful shifting of thoughts, beliefs, and habits, bringing you into alignment with success throughout your day. This energy is moving from the toes and the feet, through the lower legs and into the knees. Allow it to continue to grow and move up the thighs into the space of the lower body around your hips, butt, and waist. On your next natural, effortless inhale, the focus of awareness fills the entire space of the lower body like stars in the sky, shimmering and twinkling. Each one seems so small, but together they are bright. They are just like the decisions that you make throughout the day. Each one seems so small, but together they light up a path through the openness and opportunity that you are connected to. Each of the decisions that you make throughout the day is in harmony and alignment with success, accomplishment, and satisfaction. You are confident in your decisions, trusting in your intuition, and open to the gentle but powerful transformations taking place in your experience for yourself and all who you encounter. You feel all of this as openness and spaciousness that is fully present, aware, creative, spontaneous, and wise. It follows your focus. Shift the focus of awareness onto the hands. Note the sensations of the breath at the hands. On each effortless, natural inhale, settle the focus of awareness on the hands, and on each effortless, natural exhale, release any tightness, tension, or stress from the hands. Everything that you need, all tools, money, relationships, encounter, means, resources, and opportunities all flow to you easily, naturally, and harmoniously. On each inhale, feel the openness and relaxation at the hands. It's all already there. Everything that you need, you have. Everything that you will need, you will have. Shift the focus of awareness up into the arms and the shoulders. A sense of cool relaxation flows from the arms into the space of the upper body. On each effortless, natural exhale, release any tightness, tension, or stress from the lower abdomen up through the back and filling the chest. As the focus of awareness rises within the body, settle deeper and deeper and deeper into relaxation and openness. You have a deep sense of trust that permeates the entire space of the body and is infused into each cell. You trust in yourself, your decisions, your skills and abilities. You trust that whether you make a decision that works in your favor or that doesn't work in your favor, that you have the ability to handle anything that comes up. That's how you move so easily, naturally, and harmoniously. That's how you're so flexible and creative, as well as focused, yet relaxed. You trust in the unfolding of your desires and life experiences. You trust that all is working out for you and for the benefit of all who you encounter. Shift the focus of awareness up into the space of the head, allowing it to fill this space like a light in a room, like perfume in the air. You're shifting your focus in life, your expectations, thoughts, and beliefs. Your mental faculties and components are all in harmony and alignment with the vision of success and accomplishment that you have for yourself and your life. Any thoughts or beliefs that are not in alignment with success and accomplishment fade away and are drowned out by the light of awareness. No former negative thoughts, beliefs, or patterns of behavior can influence or interfere with your focus, because you are focused. You are aware. You are grounded and aligned. You are refreshed, restored, renewed, and ready for the day before you. You experience this awareness and focus as openness and relaxation. So on your next natural, effortless inhale, allow the focus of awareness to expand into the entire space of the body. On your next exhale, release the focus of awareness into the space around your body like light radiating from a flame. You are grounded, centered, focused, and open to opportunities, shifts, transformations, and changes. You trust that you have everything that you need, that all is provided for you easily, naturally, and harmoniously. You are in alignment with thoughts, beliefs, and actions. Now take the next few minutes to envision the most harmonious and aligned day for you. All of your thoughts, beliefs, and actions are grounded. Envision yourself easily accomplishing any tasks, fulfilling any commitments, learning any skills, and taking breaks where needed. Envision yourself moving through your day with ease. Everything you do is easy. Everyone you meet is pleasant. Every experience you have is loving. Make sure to envision yourself ending your day feeling satisfied with all that you have accomplished. Everything that you have done has benefited yourself and every being that you have encountered throughout your day. Take a few minutes to visualize. Now, bring the focus of awareness back into the present moment. Notice how refreshed, restored, and renewed you feel. Notice how you feel ready for the day. The energy of preparation has permeated your entire body, environment, and experience, and is guiding your thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors in a gentle, positive, but powerful way in order to keep you in alignment with success, accomplishment, and opportunity today. You have everything that you need. You got this. No, for real, you got this. I believe in you. You can believe in you too. On your next inhale, wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring some movement into your body. Begin to stretch your arms, twist and turn. Bring some life into your body. On your next exhale, open your eyes. It's time for another glorious day.